Hello everyone. If you're looking for a perfect email marketing platform, then this video is just for you. I have this amazing platform in the name of Pabbly Email Marketing that will help you to not only send emails to all your subscribers, manage the subscribers, easily efficiently manage the email campaigns, create beautiful templates and campaigns, create email campaign related automated workflows and much more. You can do everything with this single platform. And in this video, we are going to discuss a little bit more about Pabbly email marketing. So without wasting any time, stay tuned till the end of this video to explore more about this email marketing tool that is going to grow your business to the next level. So let's dive into this video. So after you will log into your Pabbly email marketing, you will come to the dashboard just like this, where you will see everything. You can manage and analyze and create your own business inside Pabbly email marketing from this section. Add the business from here. You will see the business that you've added in this dashboard just like this. You can see your quota, your added subscribers and remaining subscribers and number of business added on the dashboard itself. You will see the folders if you have created any over here, active, inactive and blocked business also, all under this one roof. If you want to learn how you can add your business inside Pabbly email marketing easily, or if you want to learn about each and every features briefly, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. After dashboard, next section we have in our Pabbly email marketing is email campaigns, where you can create amazing promotional email campaigns for your business that you can send directly from this section. You can create, manage and send everything from this one dashboard right over here. Now this is the email campaign section. You will see the total number of campaigns written, number of campaigns sent, scheduled and draft. You will see all of that in this one section. You will see all the status of the campaign, whether it's live, draft, scheduled, sending, sent, stopped or failed in this section right here. And if you have already created or sent any email campaign, you will see all the email campaigns just like this. If you want to see the detailed report from this section, you can do that as well. See the stats from this section as well. Delete, edit or do anything, duplicate the email campaign according to your requirement. Create the email campaign from this section and you can easily create, manage and track your email campaigns from our next interface of campaigns inside our Pabbly email marketing tool. Now next, if we are going to move forward to our subscribers section. Now in our subscribers section, there are multiple things that we are going to discuss about. First is subscribers list. So you can create list from this subscribers list section right over here. You will see all your subscribers data just like this under all subscribers. If you have created list like I have done that, you can see all the subscribers list also and manage and create an ad from this section. If you want to create different segments of your business inside Pabbly email marketing, you can do it from this segment section right here. If you want to create custom fields that is going to save your subscribers data, you can do that from this section as well. So we have some universal fields right here which you can't change. So these fields won't be changed, but you can create custom fields for other details as well. Next is tags. If you want to differentiate your subscribers using the option tags, you can create the tags from this section. Lead score. You can set in the lead score according to your requirement. If someone opens the email, that lead will be scored with +5. So you can change the lead scoring according to your requirement from this lead score section. Now next is suppression list, which is used to prevent sending emails to contacts who have unsubscribed, bounced or are marked as invalid. So this list is going to help you to do that. And last, subscribers activity. Now if there is any subscribers activity in your business, you will see all the activities under this section of subscriber activity right here. That will help you to track subscriber engagement, emails, open, click or other activities to understand your audience better. Okay, so this is that section. Now this is a very good section. You can actually see the activities of subscribers deeply through all the amazing features that we provide you under this roof. Okay, next is analytics. Analytics will help you to see detailed insights of all the campaigns and subscriber activities going on inside your Pabbly email marketing tool. Now over here you can see I have forwarded few of the campaigns using my Pabbly email marketing account, you will see the number of sent email that has been you can see the number of emails that is sent, how many times it's opened, failed, in queue, delivered. You will see all the things in this analytics section where we are telling you these are the total number of subscribers I have in my account. You will see right over here. You will see if I have sent any campaign. You can see it through the section. So over here under 30 days, how many campaigns I've said. You can see all the things under the campaign section right here. Click to open, unsubscribe. You will see a detailed graph over here. These are the campaigns that I forwarded. You will see the report from this section as well. So analytics is going to help you to analyze how your email campaigns are working. You should create such more email campaigns. If one of the campaign has given me a good performance, I can create amazing and interesting campaigns just like that, and you can analyze it through this section right here. Okay, next is templates. So if you want to create some good attractive looking email campaign templates, we have given some of the templates from our end to you already, but if you want to create your own template from this create template section, you can do that, which you can use later to send emails to all your subscribers. Okay, so this is the template section. Workflows, I've already told you, if you want to create some email related automation workflows through the automation workflow section of our Pabbly email marketing account, you can create super easy workflows using Pabbly email marketing. Okay, next is settings. Under settings, we have many details. Over here, first is business details, where you will find the details of your business. You can edit or add in points according to your requirement. Next over here is delivery server. If you want to add in your own delivery server that will help you to send emails to all your subscribers, you can add it from this section right here. API and webhook, this is the API and webhook of your email marketing account, Pabbly email marketing account. You will find the details from this section. If you want to add in your team members to Pabbly email marketing tool, you can do that as well from this section right here. Activity log is the section where you will see all the activity that is completed inside or done inside Pabbly email marketing from any of your team members. So these were the activities I have done. So you will see all the activities right here in the section. And last is time zone. This is the time zone of my Pabbly email marketing account. So you can change the time zone according to your requirement for this account. Okay. Last is get help. In the get help section, you will see all the videos that we have created for Pabbly email marketing. You can check out the videos. I've added all the videos in the description section as well. You can see all the detailed videos of Pabbly email marketing and learn about this tool even more better. So this was the best email marketing tool for your business, that is Pabbly email marketing. If you have any questions or doubts related to this tool, comment down below and we are going to resolve your queries as soon as possible. If you want certain kind of videos to be created on Pabbly email marketing, you can suggest us ideas in the comment sections as well. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.